Good morning, clan. Welcome to Tuesday. Up and at it, 8 a.m. Kids getting ready for school, breakfast, vitamins, getting their hair did, YouTube videos. What are you watching?
Jake Paul.
Jake Paul, his new favorite YouTuber. I swear the kid goes on a binge watching of one YouTuber like for like 2-3 weeks, and then he switches to another one. A couple weeks ago it was what's his name? Wolfie Raps. That's you were watching for a long time.
Yeah.
And then of course Dude Perfect. He keeps going back to Dude Perfect. They're still here. They just don't make videos as often.
Yeah,
like a video.
They make like
2 a month.
2 a month. Yeah.
2 a month. Yeah. So of course Sierra's still hooked on the Daily Bumps. Watching their Disney World videos. Tiffany's getting ready to go to the gym. Rock and roll. And Tiffany's gonna start doing the floors on Tuesdays. Like that's her day to like do the floors because she goes to the gym. She's all hot and sweaty. She'll come home and then she's gonna like, you know, vacuum, mop, all that stuff to the floors. So what she wants me to do is she wants me to get the blower out and blow off our patio. So kind of get rid of any dust or leaves so the dog doesn't track it in after she cleans the floor. So makes sense, but that just means now every Tuesday morning I gotta get up and do some yard work. And really, I don't mind too bad. I mean, it is my yard. There's a sense of pride, you know, doing yard work and making sure it's all nice and clean. But I just hate having to be like on a schedule, like every Tuesday, get out there and blow the leaves, Clint. Oh well. All right, you guys, did my yard work for the day. Blew off all the sidewalk, the basketball court. I skimmed the pool a little bit, brushed it a little bit, emptied out all the baskets, dropped the chlorine tab. I'm good for now, good for now. Time to do a stream, got new Call of Duty DLC. I'm gonna hang out over there on my gaming channel, my other YouTube channel, for a couple hours and then do some Twitch. And then after that, shower, and then I got some errands to run. I got some more boring adult things to take care of today. It looks like we're not gonna be doing Taco Tuesday today. I'm kind of bummed about that. I always look forward to tacos, man. I love me some tacos. But I think Tiffany's gonna do some like chili or something in the crock pot, just because me and Bryce are gonna get home until like 9 p.m. Like, you know, like minimum 9 p.m. So it's like, it's not, Taco Tuesday is a thing that needs to be done when the whole family's here, because tacos don't last, right? Tiffany makes the tacos. They're only good for about 15 minutes and then the shells start falling apart. So, no Taco Tuesday today, guys. Mega bummed. Tiff back in the kitchen, back with the crock pot. What do we got? Turkey?
Turkey. White
Turkey
chili.
onions. Turkey white chili.
Yep. All the white beans.
3 different kinds of white beans. Green chilies. All right, you guys, it's been a pretty productive day thus far. I've gotten done a ton of boring adult things. Credit card, bills, change of address, set up auto pay, all kinds of stuff. Something I didn't really mention, but like Friday, I woke up to a couple of charges on my business credit card that I didn't make personally. And so I had to call the bank and like, you know, had that credit card canceled and send me a new one. So of course, anytime that happens, if you guys have never had that happen before, you know, in this day and age, everything is set up on a debit card or a credit card for auto pay. So when you have to get a new card, you have to go to every single one of those places and change it over to the new card. And sometimes you forget, oh, I forgot about that one, or I forgot about that one. And anyway, so I had to do all of that. Spent the last couple hours just doing that. Quick shower, and now we're on the road heading to the pool supply company to get our pool water tested. They'll test the water, they'll give me the good, the bad, the ugly, and let me know what the chemical levels are, what I need to add more of, what I need to like back off on, that sort of thing. And then I also want to see how much it's going to cost them to come out and fix my pool pump, because it's got a really bad leak. I'm not sure how we missed it in the inspection, because they did replace the electronic part, but there's a leak. Like day one, I noticed a leak. So I don't know. We didn't catch it, or I don't know what, but it's leaking bad. There's just water all around the pump, which the bug guy said that's really bad, caused termites. So I need to get it fixed ASAP. Plus a couple other things. So on the road, here we go.
Just picked up kiddos from volleyball practice. How was it? There you are.
Good.
Good. Bryce hung out. Yep. Now we have an hour to kill between her practice and then I had to drop Bryce off at his practice. So we're going to Bed Bath & Beyond. I need a stool for my shower. So when I'm shaving my legs, I have something to put my leg on. Super exciting, huh? And then we're gonna go into Target and get the kids like an icy or something. And then hopefully that'll be time to go to practice. Ooh, there they are. These you drilling? These things are super expensive. These are like waterproof. Question is, do I go with the bench style or the corner? What do you think?
I say corner.
Corner.
Because like the way it is, it's boxy.
Yeah. Do you think the corner?
Unless you put that like in the middle of that backside.
Yeah. Both the same price.
So it's gonna go in the shower.
Yeah, it's waterproof. Going with the corner one. You gonna help me put it together? Sure. All right, let's do it. You guys are my little helpers. Thank you.
Itch.
Decisions. What's it gonna be? You stick with the original cherry and blue raspberry.
I want to get that one.
Yeah, not a good idea.
Yeah, I'll try this.
Blue raspberry. You can mix it, yeah. That's like the old school way. Cherry and blue raspberry. Yep.
All right, you guys, so about an hour later now, did the pool testing. Our water is all out of whack. Definitely need to do some changes to it, and might have to drain some of the water out of it to try and reset it, because I guess the chemicals are just out of whack. Some things are way off the charts, and it would just take too much chemicals and wear and tear to try and reset it. So the guy actually suggested that I drain a bunch of the water out of the pool. Unfortunately, we're going into summer season, so you can't just drain the pool completely because it's a plaster pool and it'll crack the plaster. So it's something I gotta do like in steps and phases. So I don't know, we'll do that another day. We'll talk about that another day. But something that you'll be excited about is we have a new P.O. box, guys. New P.O. box. Our old P.O. box will be closing down. I'll be doing a change of address and forwarding the mail to the new P.O. box. So if you guys would like to send us letters, packages, whatever, you know, people send us drawings and cool little like things they've made and crafts, whatever you want to do. You want to send us a letter saying hi, what's up? Here's the new address. All right, it'll be in the description down below. The new address is 500 North Estrella Parkway, Suite number B2, box number 617. All right, one more time. Again, it'll be in the description down below, but it is 500 North Estrella Parkway, Suite number B2, box number 617. That is our new P.O. box for the next 10 years. It's close to the new house, and it's 24-hour access. We're gonna start doing mail openings live on the channel. We'll open up all your guys' mail whenever we get it. We'll probably do maybe like, depending on how much we get, it'll be once a month or once a week or whatever. But you know, a lot of cool stuff you guys send us. We appreciate it. We appreciate you guys' support, your love, and that sort of thing. And so we want to give back to you guys by, you know, doing it live and chatting with you guys while it's happening. So more on that later, but the address is down below for all the future stuff.
All right, Bryce. Have a good practice. All right. Daddy will be here in a little bit to watch you and pick you up. Okay. Bye.
Quick trip to Home Depot just to price out water pumps, sump pumps. Looks like they're anywhere from $100 to $150 depending on how fast I want the water to be removed. So probably like $120 for something like that. You know, 3,000 gallons in an hour. Sounds about right.
Back home now, and we walked in the door and the chili smells amazing. I bought some tomatoes because I didn't have any tomatoes, so I just added those. Looks good. And then I bought some cornbread for Sierra. So we're making that. And then Sierra is editing her video. And what's the baby doing? Oh, you wanna play with me? See, oh, somebody play with me? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Your new toy? Is that your new favorite one? Oh, you're strong. Oh, don't break it.
All right, I'm done with all my, my adult stuff. Got my truck washed. It was disgusting being out there close to farmlands and the desert and whatnot. Bugs smashing my windows like daily. Bryce is at basketball practice. We're back at the old school that we used to go to, so I'm going for my little walk around through the park, that sort of thing. The weather's nice right now. It's like, I don't know, 75, 78 degrees, something like that. A little warm. It's supposed to be 100 degrees this weekend, guys. 100 degrees! And now the pool guy tells me the water's not like optimal to be swimming in, so I'm like, great. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just not optimal. Like, you don't want that in your mouth, you don't want it in your eyes. Like, we were trying to go swimming this weekend. Tiffany was actually talking about getting you know, in a bathing suit for the first time. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll go grab a water, something pump this weekend, tomorrow at Home Depot, and drain some of the water out and see if we can maybe flush it out just a little bit, because this weekend's gonna be hot.
There it is. You excited? You love your chili, huh?
It's good.
Just like, ooh, white chili.
First basket wins. Ready? Play locked up.
Oh, all right. So Bryce and I are back home. Just got done eating Mommy's awesome chili, except I put some hot sauce in it, this habanero hot sauce, and it doesn't have like one of those like little dot lids on it, so I took the top off, not even looking, do a big old dab thinking it's gonna make a little drop, and a big old glob hits the top, and I was like, ooh, that's gonna be hot. But it was really hot, and I just...
Took one bite, like...
I finished my bowl. I kept adding more chili to it, try and dilute it, but it was really hot.
He got it one spoonful, he had a big spoon. I didn't even eat like half of the spoonful. And it was hot.
Yeah, it was too hot.
Oh, you shouldn't have added avocado.
That would've been good. That would've been good. All right, so it's about 9:30 p.m. Kids are going upstairs to take showers. They both had sports today, so definitely need showers. And of course, Tiffany is done for the night. She's usually in like chill mode by 8:39. And then once she's on chill mode, it's just downhill from there until she's like checked out. And she's gotten to the point now, she's gotten so efficient that she will get everything done downstairs and be done. Like, all right, I'm going upstairs, good night. And like, she'll go upstairs and not need to come back down at all. Something I thought of yesterday when I was editing is I hardly go upstairs. I hardly take you guys upstairs. Like, we pretty much are downstairs the entire time. Good, hey, baby. We're pretty much downstairs the entire time because kind of like what I was mentioning yesterday in the vlog, there's not much to do up here, right? I mean, our bedrooms are all up here, so it's coming upstairs to go to bed. My streaming room, obviously, to stream. But like, you know, this loft area is just kind of extra space right now because, well, there's nothing up here yet. So yeah, I don't know. Just kind of one of those, like, that disconnect. We had that disconnect from the two floors. The other thing is Tiffany's not really like, she doesn't want to go upstairs. Like, she doesn't want to vlog upstairs because she's not, it's not in a place where she's like excited to show you guys. Again, nothing to show, but not really like, oh, look at this. You know, it's still like, there's still like stuff against the wall and boxes and stuff because it's like nothing to do. Same thing with the front two rooms up here, right? The formal dining room and eventually like our computer room. No furniture yet, so it's one of those things where it'll come in phases, right? You know, we've got the house, we secured it, it's ours, we're living here. That's the first big, you know, checkbox is we own the house, we're moved in. The second thing is to sell the old house, right? Because we're still paying the mortgage for that. We're still paying for the water and the electric because you have to keep all that, you know, the municipalities working while you're trying to sell it so they can test everything, make sure that, you know, stuff works. So it's one of those things where that's the next big thing. As soon as we can sell the old house and get that count from underneath us, and you know, the money that we make from that house will help furnish this one. that's the plan. You know, new couches, new stuff in here. This stuff goes upstairs. You know, formal dining room table and a new desk for the computer. Some more patio furniture, that sort of thing. That's the plan. That's the plan. So until that happens, we're kind of just in limbo. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. We appreciate each and every minute you give us in your day. It means the world to us. It really does. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings, you guys, because that ad that you've been watching on our videos for the last like 2 or 3 weeks every day, tomorrow's the day. The day you're watching this video, the day this video goes up, April 19th, 2017. 10% of all the proceeds at any Buffalo Wild Wings goes to the Boys and Girls Club. If you buy any of their sauces or seasonings, a portion of those proceeds go towards the Boys and Girls Club. So that's all month long. That's all month long. But tomorrow is the day you actually go in. So we're gonna go pick up the kids from school, go to Buffalo Wild Wings, eat an early dinner, and then, of course, Sierra has a volleyball game, and they both have practice. So lots more sports, guys. That's kind of where our lives are right now, and the vlogs reflect that. And I know some of you guys don't care about sports, and I apologize. It is where we're at right now, at least for a couple more months, and then, you know, things will lighten up a little bit because we'll be out of school. Sierra's club volleyball season will be over, and we'll have a lot more free time, a lot more time to play. So until then, vlog on.
I'm Jonathan Buttress. I live in California, San Diego, also known as Hobby Jonathan on YouTube, and vlog on.